Testing the recording. Testing. Hello guys. Today we are gonna break everything down. I don't even care. I don't even know what this game is. Just want to break everything. Saw that everyone was breaking stuff in this game. Let's just go, I guess. Whoa. Local transit route 4. Okay, I need to walk home. Is that my home? Let's go, I guess. Oh, I don't seem to be able to break anything now. I'm just gonna wait till I can break stuff. I want to damage the world, please. Oh, this doesn't seem home. Okay, never mind. My home is a store? Hold and drag. Okay, I'm dragging. Oh, it's the other one. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay. It's open. Go inside. I want to break everything. Okay, hold on. Get out of my face. Finally, I can break stuff. Just team down. Break everything. I don't care. Freak. Think this as your enemies. Just crush them like something you would crush. Oh, pick my tools. Okay. Whoa. Okay, replace the fuse to turn on the power. Where's that, to be honest? Take this out of here. Nice. It's not here then. Where is it? Oh, maybe it's in the outside. Finally, it's working. Well, now that I know how to break stuff. Oh, yes, I can hit stuff. Finally, I can hit stuff. Oh, the fuse must be outside? Yes, it's outside. Used to. Yes, nice. Flashlight. Did it work? Oh, I'm breaking it, but it's working. Never mind then. Go inside and check messages. Okay, let's check some new text. Oh, here. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through this month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Oh, this just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Good evening, my name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at the Evertide Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that is blocking our plans for a new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. I need a gun by tomorrow. And I even be willing to pay more than the standard rate for some extra discretion. Quick execution and uncomfortable working hours. Will you be able to take care of it? Okay, nice. An upscale shopping center by the waterfall managed by the Gordon Mall. Also there is local municipally folk museum. The old building problem. Okay. Play mission. Let's break everything. Okay. Well, I can move my van. That's sad.